have here with me Miss Mutan from TCS. Hi, it's a pleasure meeting you here today. So I wanted to understand, in your opinion, as pandemic has gotten over, work from anywhere policies have increased across different businesses who are willing to adopt them. So what kind of cybersecurity threats do you see coming up because of this kind of a policy?
I just was having a talk with one of the CEOs and they said that MasterCard on any normal day get 90,000 threats. So any normal day is 90,000 deaths. You can understand what a bad day would look post-pandemic. I, as an individual, I love traveling. I'm attending conference. I'm working also. So it is good that you work from anywhere, and you have lot of time for community work, you have time for learning, you meet your role models, inspirations. But being a cybersecurity personnel, it takes a lot of effort to secure the channels, the tunnels wherever you
Definitely,
work in.
yes.
And the people, the suspects are always 2 steps ahead of us. You come up with certain what you call preventions or protections, and they are always 2 steps ahead to bypass it. So a lot of things. First is awareness plays a very important role. This phishing or other normal things where people, we have seen in our own organization. Technical people, cybersecurity guys, they just call, we are calling from IT help desk, and they give up their details. Major risk,
Yes.
and you work in pressure, you are into meetings, and you take up any call and respond to them. So awareness plays a very important role, apart from tightening and hardening the codes and security features. So yes, we have, I know when the world was suffering, cybersecurity people were working extra hard to secure and work from anywhere policies.
Definitely. So, what role do you think CSA Bangalore chapter plays in, like you mentioned, there's a need to upskill in certain cases, be aware. So, in sense of awareness, also in upskilling, what is your
CSA,
opinion?
I feel, self-motivation, self-inspiration it takes us, I mean, downwards. Here I come, I I get to know so many people who are doing so much into their fields. It's a boost, it's a pump up of, it works as a launching pad for most of the people. You learn from them, you get inspired, motivated. You get to know what all can be done, in what all fields it can be done. So it works as a launching pad.
Definitely, that's amazing. It was a pleasure meeting you
Thank
here
you.
today.